So we've come here for a nice Mexican lunch, and they're a little upscale here. This is an upscale Mexican restaurant.
Habanero, okay?
Mhm. And I would like a Blackberry Margarita.
Blackberry Margarita. Anything for you?
So we're at Sol Agave, which is an upscale Mexican restaurant here in San Juan Capistrano. We ate here many years ago, and it was very good. We decided to come back. It's a little bit fancy. They started out with some chips, and they have a bean dip, and they have a charred green onion salsa. The salsa is really good. It's got a nice flavor to it. It's a little bit spicy, but not really spicy. The bean dip has a really good flavor. And then we got an habanero dip for Young because she likes really spicy. You're liking it, right? It's good. And I got myself a Blackberry Margarita because, you know what? I like blackberries, I like margaritas, and I'm in the mood.
You got it right.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I'm only going to have one. You like that?
Spicy.
Yeah. I asked him if he have a really spicy one, and he said, yeah. This is spicy enough for me.
Yeah, this is spicy and also the salsa is quite thick. Like that, quite thick.
The chips are fresh. They're fried here. That's good.
Beautiful, beautiful restaurant. Very fancy.
Take tacos another time, but for this time, I'll try the carnitas because I do like carnitas.
Great. And your carnitas with flour tortillas or corn one?
Corn. So I ordered a Blackberry Margarita. This is very appealing looking. I'm actually thinking this is going to taste delicious. Oh yeah, it's strong, but it's very, very tasty. It's rimmed with, I'm guessing this is going to be tamarind and chipotle. No, it's mostly chipotle, and it's not that sour, but it's really good, very tasty. And the margarita itself, you can taste the agave, you can taste the tequila in it, you can taste the blackberries. It's really a little sweet, but it's good. I may have to Uber here sometime and go crazy on the bar. That looks very good. Oh, yum. I don't need the sugar, so you can take that. Yeah.
Anything else?
Now their carnitas here are very popular. The tortillas are handmade right here in-house. And if you've never had a fresh corn tortilla made in-house, you're really missing out. There's nothing better. It's a little thicker than what you get in the supermarket styles. And obviously the masa, the corn, is very fresh. So we're looking forward to trying this. Gonna put this carnita together. They have pickled onions that go on it. This is all looking good. A little bit of salsa, a little bit of guacamole, rice and beans. And then I guess you get the New Mexico flair with the sour cream in it. And now I have a complete carnita. great. This is delicious. The pork, very tender, crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. The homemade corn tortilla really makes a difference in the taste of the carnita. And everything else in there is very well prepared. It's a good mix. It's a very nice carnita. I can see why they're so famous for it. Now Young got herself some fresh mahi-mahi tacos, again with the homemade corn tortillas, fresh grilled mahi-mahi in it, lots of little veggies and salsa in it. Looks like there's some rice too. It's probably going to be a good tasty dish.
It is not spicy, but taste the grill. It's quite sweet. I like it. So, each taco has two shells. As you see, there's two shells and avocado on top and cabbages, sliced mango on top. Mahi-mahi. This is a habanero salsa they brought. I'm gonna add habanero salsa on the top. And let's taste it. Try it. Tastes really good. Everything is just comes together. I don't really taste the individual ingredients, but tastes really good. Very refreshing. This is not a kind of a street taco. Tastes a little bit upscale taco, so it's a different, very clean taste. Very different than Rubio's taco, because I love Rubio's taco, but this is different. I really like it. You know the best part of this taco? I love this shell. This is taco shell. Homemade. Taco shell is absolutely delicious. I think the masa tastes amazing. I think that makes it so different. I like it a lot.
Okay, so overall our experience here was very, very good. Sol Agave is an upscale Mexican restaurant here. I will say we're a little spoiled in Orange County because we have a lot of Mexican restaurants with really good food that are cheap, barato, really good. This one is not cheap, but everything is quality. The food is delicious. The restaurant itself is beautiful. It's a great place to come if you want a nice dinner and you like Mexican food. And definitely we will come back here. We don't come here for cheap Mexican food, but we come here for good Mexican food. Everything from the homemade tortillas to the perfect rice to the carnitas that were crispy and tender and the mahi-mahi soft tacos. Everything was delicious. Definitely, this is a good place. It's a place to come back. We'll be back several times, I'm sure.